I'm sorry about mistaking you with your partner. I looked your clip again and I have a good idea about your badminton. First of all, the good things about your badminton. I can tell you have a good length of experience. Out of the 4 players I saw in your clip, I think you are the player who has got most experience. Because of that, good thing is when you are playing, you are not rushing it. And when you are hitting the shuttlecock, you normally know where the empty spaces are and you hit good corners. And because you are not rushing it, you are not moving a wrong direction. And you are able to hit most of the shots pretty good way. That is your good strength. There are a few things I found out you may consider or you may try to improve those areas. When you are receiving service, normally your right arm racket is up, but your left arm is down. It should be changed. 2 hands up, like that, like that, like that, instead of like this. So it's not balanced. Here, it will be late. But if you use 2 hands together, it's balanced. So when you receive service, 2 hands up together. At the moment, it's like that. When you are receiving, you are a little bit away from the service line. You are not here. You are a little bit there. When you stand here, opponent serve low, it is better to move your right step there. Here, let's say this is the service line. You are here. If you stay this much backwards, opponent serve short, then it is better to move your right foot forward hit so you can take it here. But often you move that one. So you automatically you have to take it late. This is more defensive. Try to do more aggressive attacking return by moving your right foot forward. That way. Instead, there or there. The 2 things which can change your game about 10 to 20% straight away and play 10-20% better is the first, the body posture. Change from this. Let's say you hit it. Are you ready? Standing. Partner is hitting. You are here and standing posture. So because of a stance like that and the shuttle comes there, you will be late. So this standing posture should be changed to that posture. For example, If shuttle is over there, then your 2 feet face there, racket is center, low like that. But at the moment, it's standing. Back. Instead of ready like that, it's standing. Maybe you are the best player among the 4. So even you stand like that, you think you can take the shuttlecocks. But even though you are the best player in that match, there are several times you are late because of the posture. For example, because it stands like that, this is important. You are standing. Suddenly shuttle goes there. Watch my feet. Standing, shuttle go. There's no pre-step. You go. Like that. Like that. Shuttle go like that. But if you were ready like that and shuttle go, automatically you will be making the pre-steps. Ready, shuttle go, there, there. Look and then go. Compare, look, go, or go. So you lose balance and control over your body. I know it's hard for club players maintain this posture. Hit and ready. Hit and ready. Hit and ready. Lift, ready. It's hard. But you make shots 3 times better if you have this posture. Then, like that. Shuttle is dropped, you will be late. There, you can go like that. The first thing is wide feet, lower posture. It's the most important thing for your badminton to play higher, better level. The position of your racket. Normally your racket is down here or here. Look, if you are at the net, racket should be a little bit higher than net because there is net. Not here, it takes time. Here, there. If shuttle is up, you are side by side, you are here, your partner is there, then your racket should not be here or here, it should be in the middle, about my tummy, here. Because when shuttle is up, the most dangerous attack from your opponent is a smash. So your racket should be ready for opponent to smash here. Not here. Same. When you are back, your partner is at the net. No need to do that. Middle. Ready for drive. Under. Up. Here. Middle. But normally your racket is down. Those 2 things are the most important things. In order you to do that, I know you have to put great effort and try to remember. Because I can tell you've been playing this way or that way for some time. To change it like that, maybe not easy, but when you play against a better player, yeah, that will definitely help. I do know you are better player than your partner. That's why I guess you serve short, but still you try to move out to cover the back. But in normal way, if you serve short, you should stay. I just point out, you may know that, but because of the condition at that match, you would like to cover the back more. In that case, it is better flick it and then you move it back. Because you serve short and then move back, there may be not enough time for you to defend because the distance short, opponent to flick, you move back, take it, maybe not enough time to do it. So remember, the standard way is serve short, stay. Serve long, side by side. Just point out.